Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Keswick, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to hire a cheap Keswick moving company for your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers offers the right options to help you get just what you need for any type of move. We know how to move you locally, across the country, or even internationally. You can choose the long-distance moving services you need, including the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating can be stressful. We have the right options for your needs when you have a long-distance move to handle. Our team of movers will provide you with plenty of options to make your relocation easier. If you're looking for a Canada moving company for your local move, you need the right team. Trying to do this type of move on your own is stressful and overwhelming. It seems easy, but it's a ton of work to take on. 3 Movers offers the right team for your local move. Our team will put you first and make your move simple. If it will take you all weekend to move, we can do it in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Keswick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.